Hello friends, my name is Mrigen Singh and you're watching Premium Crazy 11 YouTube channel. So today I will give you a quick review about Profit Fixer. Basically what does this software will be work and what benefits you will be getting over here if you purchase this software. So before that we have to proceed our video. Remember that you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and smash that like button if you really like this video. So if you are a graphic designer or website designer, or maybe we can say that you are a logo designer, then this software will be definitely for you. How can this software will be working for you? Here you can create gorgeous high-end graphic designs for any marketing need in 1 minute without doing any monthly fee, even though you are physically challenged like I am. Here quick demonstration, here he has given quick review of video. If you want to watch this video, then the link will be given in the description. You can click over there and you will be redirected to this page. If you want to buy Profit Fixer, then here you will be get instant 3% off through my link. The link will be given in the description. Millions of stunning designs you will be getting over here. One time fee, no monthly payment will be included over here. Generate massive viral traffic, fully editable in the cloud software. No design skill required, no need to wait for designers commercial license if purchased today. If you are purchasing today by watching this review video, then you will be get fully commercial license. Huge variety of social media templates, take your brand to the next level. Create side income for design freelancing. Never have to invest in stock images again. Price will increase after launch. The launch price will be very low. After that the price will be again go rises. The graphics platform Profit Fixer is incredible in speed, flexibility and easy to use. Here Abhishek Jain will be giving quick review how benefits use about this software if you using this software Profit Fixer. Here Jenny Briggs will be also given about some quick review. He has a social media marketer again June Lengyon given review. Justin Ope, product designer, business developer will be Michael Strong. Here if you want to see their reviews, then the link will be, again I am saying that the link will be given in the description. The secret to the top 10 successful online business lies here, right in front of your eyes. Amazon, Lamborghini, Apple, Alibaba, Priceline, eBay, Expedia, Rakuten, TripAdvisor, Yandex and lots of more companies. They all use top quality graphics and visuals. They don't just go through talking about their products or services. They show the actual product and services. The visitors can already imagine themselves using their products. Even if it's a travel websites for booking hotels, the visitors can see the images of the hotel rooms, the view from those rooms, the pool side, etc. All these websites manage to transport the visitors from present real world to the better future world with the power of imagine that invoke imaginations. The most successful Amazon listings not only offer great visuals from multiple angles. Why? Because visuals are processed 60,000 faster in brain than text. That's why major brands like Nike have focused on making their e-commerce site a heavily visual experience. Once they successfully do that, the sale is the easiest part. Here you have seen that if you are a logo designer and want to sell your logo in freelancing website, then here you have to watch this. Some of the companies will pay for logo design. Here you have clearly seen that the this logo design of the Pepsi will pay $1 million for designing this logo. Again this Enron logo will be designing for $33,000. $211 million for this logo is BP. $625,000 for London Olympics 2012. Here you have seen that lots of the companies will paying so much amount of money for doing very less work for logo designing. Here you have clearly seen that this company Accenture will pay $100 million for this logo design. If you are a freelancer and want to make your own logo, then this software will be definitely work for you for logo designing and plus website designing if you are a website developer also. Here what benefits you will be getting over here: infographics, gift certificates, Facebook post, Twitter post, Pinterest post, Google Plus post, Facebook covers, YouTube covers, Twitter headers, LinkedIn post, Instagram post, business cards, Twitter lead generation cards, Twitter promoted tweets. Everything you will be getting over here. Here some of the screenshots given over here using that software to designing this type of website. Here you can see that Baker.com 105% engagement. You can design this type of website very easily by doing this. By purchasing this software. Research shows that high quality visuals generate exponentially higher engagement than poor designing graphics. Yes, this will be correct. If you have a high graphic designing, then you will be very much engaged to that website. If your website will be very low designing, very poor designing, then you can visit that website, and after some time, within a 1 to 2 seconds, you will be redirected to redirect back in Google page. But that's not all. Images rich posts have much higher SEO rankings. Consumers, especially local ones, respond strongly to images in search. 60% of consumers say they are more likely to consider or contact a business that has an image shown up local search results. Here, how do you get stunning graphic designings? How you will get stunning graphic designings? Here he has given some of the screenshots. We waited for the posts to come back, and they did. Here some of the people using this Profit Pixel software, and he has given quick review, and he has given some of the screenshots here to this admin, how he is making most of the monies in monthly basis. Here he is using Profit Pixels. He is making work very less, and he is making more than $10,000 per month directly in their pocket. Okay, what about buying images from a stock site such as Shutterstock? You have, if you want to buy any images, then you have to pay so much amount of money to Shutterstock, Pixels, different types of websites. You have to pay for great images. Here you will be getting free images without paying any single penny if you buy this software. Here, by selling social media graphics, here you have seen that some of the screenshots will be given over here, and I am going to take you here. I am going to give a quick introduction about Profit Pixel. Here the product will be look like Profit Pixel, and Profit Pixel create eye-catching graphics, visuals, and just about everything else in 60 seconds. You have to invest very less time, and you will design a very good looking logo, very good looking themes. Impressive, right? Well, wait till you hear this. All these graphics were created by without any designing skills or the technical mind to use complicated tools, because frankly I don't have the time to learn Photoshop. I got a business to run here. I created these stunning graphics using Profit Pixel in just. Here you have clearly seen that if you doesn't know about anything, how to design a logo, how to design or how to edit any images, then this software will be definitely for you, because everyone wants that I want to do and work without doing so much effort, without investing so much of the time. You can create in 60 seconds a good looking image, good looking logo. Here some of the quick review how does this software will be working over here. If you want to watch this, then again link will be in the description. And how this software will be work in which steps. Step 1, you have clearly select the template or empty canvas. You have to just select the template. There are over 250 design templates to choose from in over 50 niches. I am taking banner template, business cards, blog post, graphics, Facebook fan page covers, Facebook post, Pinterest pins, name it. Different types of templates you will be getting over here. If you want to design any social media post, design any websites, then every types of templates will be given over here. You have clearly seen that these screenshots will be showing over here. Now step 2 will be that type in the keywords and edit the template. This is where the AI comes into play. And step 3 will be save, download and print your designs. Now your work will be done over here, and you will be get a stunning looking websites and stunning looking logo. Here what's included with Profit Pixel, what benefits you will be getting over here if you purchase today. 250 plus design templates, resize design at any size. You can resize 10 million plus stock photos. You have doesn't have go anywhere to take images, to take photos. Here you will be get more than 10 million plus stock photos, 1 million plus icons. You will be getting over here in-depth editing tools, multiple download options you will be getting over here, how you have to download over 1000 plus fonts, regular template updates you will be getting over here by day. Here he is saying what types of he has getting images, and here with Profit Pixel, imagine your life without Profit Pixel. If just imagine for some time, if you doesn't have a Profit Pixel, high cost you have to pay for a design, of pay for image editing, low creativity, missed deadlines, missed opportunities, limited potentials. Here if you buy this Profit Pixel, what benefits you will be getting over here? One time fee for all the graphics you ever want, high creativity, target deadlines meet, massive opportunities, unlimited potentials, ready to jump on any opportunity like coronavirus, give up the day job, live the laptop lifestyle. You doesn't have to do 9 to 5 jobs, you have to work in your own home, or without doing any 9 to 5 jobs, by sitting at your home, and you are start making money online just doing simple work. Here what bonuses you will be getting over here, I am also telling that if you buy today. So with before that, here is the quick review or quick comparison what benefits you will be getting over here. Profit Pixel, if you using Snappa, Canva, Design Pro 2, Pixel Modo, what benefit comparison will be given. Drag and drop editor in every website you will be getting over here, in every software, cloud based in every software you will be getting over here. Number of free stock images you have getting over here is that 3.5 million plus free stock images you will be getting over here. If you using Youngzine, only 1 million plus, Snappa 100k plus, Canva 1.5 million plus $1 each. You have to, if you want to get an stock image in Canva, then you have to pay $1 for one image. You have seen there if you anytime using Canva. $47 upsell Pixabay, 2.5 million plus in Pixel Modo. Number of free stocks images 300k plus. Here is the quick review. Template resize, here you will be getting template resize, but while you are using Youngzine you doesn't have to do that, and in Design Pro you doesn't have, Pixel Modo you doesn't have. Logo creator, you can design a logo creator 100k plus. Snappa you don't have Canva, and Design Pro Pixel Modo you doesn't get logo creator in these websites, but here you have Profit Pixel, you will get logo creator also. Here is the come of the comparison, quick comparison. Here some of the screenshots will be given. Fantastic, here Dong Monre saying that fantastic solution to a time consuming headache, Danny. Fantastic solutions. What bonuses you will be getting over here if you buy this Profit Pixel instantly through my link? Then the bonuses you will be seeing over here, 250 or 2500 plus people's cut out images and PNG images. First bonus you will be getting over here, and bonus 2 will be also getting over here. 8000 plus HD videos you will be getting free without paying any cost, worth of $15 each. You will be getting 8000 plus HD videos. 60,000 plus HD images you will be getting. If you want to buy any images, then you have to pay $1 at least for one image. Here you will be getting 60,000 plus HD images, estimated worth of $60,000 without paying single dollar. It's all free of cost. And bonus 3 and bonus 4 you will be getting over here is that 25,000 plus vector graphics bundle worth $1 each, and 750 plus ultra HD 4K videos worth $25 each. Estimated worth will be $18,750. Bonus 5 and bonus 6 will be getting over here is that 8,000 plus HD videos with $15 each. Estimated worth will be $1,20,000, and bonus 7 will be getting 15 promo videos. How you can boost your videos. This will be the videos you will be getting over here. 35% direct response letter you will be bonus 8 and bonus 9. Not that this, but bonus 8 and bonus 9 will be getting 727 eye-catching Facebook ad images you will be getting over here. If you want to buy these bonuses, then you doesn't have to pay any single penny to that bonuses. You have to just buy Profit Pixar and you will get all these bonuses without paying any single penny, any single dollar to any company. Here you have to clearly see that freelancers, if you are a freelancer, then this will be definitely work for you. And start now, get instant access to Profit Pixar now. If you hear what benefits you will be getting over here if you buy Profit Pixar, I am giving you a quick review. Fully cloud based software with millions of designs, all of which are editable, worth $197. 200 plus templates related to social media categories. 2,500 plus people's cut out images and PNG images. 8,000 plus HD videos worth of $15 each. 60,000 plus HD images worth $1 each, estimated worth $60,000. 25,000 plus vector graphics bundle. Here is the quick review what benefits you will be getting over here if you buy this. You will getting all of these items will be only in $37 without paying so much of the money to Profit Pixar. You have to just pay $37 and all these benefits you will be getting over here. If you want to buy this software, the link will be given in the description. You can click over there and you will be redirected to this page and you can get easily buy now if you buy this link. Buy from my link. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, remember that you have to like my YouTube video and smash that like button if you really like this video. I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy journey.